And news just coming in, Delhi's Chief Minister designate Arvind Kejriwal has said no to the Z plus category security that he was offered. The Aam Aadmi Party has said that Z plus security that has been offered to Arvind Kejriwal is not acceptable. Aam Aadmi Party leader Ashutosh has said if Arvind Kejriwal is Janta ka CM, he shouldn't be cut off from the Janta. Z plus security will do just that, and that is why we have declined it. The Delhi police had yesterday offered to bring Kejriwal under Z plus security cover after the Aam Aadmi Party swept Delhi, winning 67 of 70 seats. Headlines today is Kamaljeet Kaur Sandhu now joins me with the latest. Kamal, what was the threat perception? Why was Z plus category security offered to Arvind Kejriwal?
Gaurav, it automatically comes with a designation, and since he is the Chief Minister designate of Delhi State, he automatically gets that Z plus security. But remember, there has been certain posturing which was done earlier also when Arvind Kejriwal had become the Chief Minister, that he had refused security. This time around again, what we know is they believe that this is obviously not the source of power that comes to a Chief Minister. It is through the people of the state and not through the security. But obviously, Delhi police not taking any chances. This is obviously something that they have to keep in mind, that the Chief Minister of Delhi does have a certain threat perception. If there is any sort of crisis and anything happens to him, is the Delhi police which will be held responsible. So this is obviously a catch-22 situation for the Delhi police. They'll really have to keep in mind how to keep the security. And remember, last time around also there were people in plain clothes who were kept around his house, keeping in mind the Chief Minister's own sensitivity. This time around also they'll really have to think about it again and strategize, because one of the things is that the Chief Minister does come along with a certain threat perception. They cannot be taken for granted in the sense that they cannot be held responsible if there is something which goes wrong. There could be a crisis, there could be a law and order situation, there could be a certain kidnapping. So they'll have to keep certain perception as well as situations in mind, and that is why it's a catch-22 for Delhi police.
Keep tracking that story, Kamal. I will come back to you for more. The Aam Aadmi Party leader Ashutosh, on the other hand, saying that Arvind Kejriwal doesn't want to be cut off from the Aam Aadmi, and that is why he said no to the Z plus security.